Hey guys, in this video, I will talk about how to customize the welcome email for SaaS. So basically, if you have a SaaS funnel, people will come to your funnel and then sign up for a SaaS subscription. They'll get their account created and they'll receive their login information through a welcome email. And this is that welcome email. I just did a test and this is what it sent to me. As you can see, it doesn't have my branding. First of all, it doesn't have my logo, my colors, and it's really basic looking, and you can change that. I'll show you how to change that by going to the high level account. This is the agency level and this is a SaaS Pro account. This is not the 297 per month account. This is the 497 per month account, and I'm on the trial account. Okay, so first of all, I need to go to SaaS configurator and I need to go to advanced settings, and here you can configure the other settings here. I'm not going to talk about all those, but in this video I'll just talk about the welcome email. I'm going to talk about a few technical stuff behind the welcome email as well, so stick with me. So this is the customize option. So when someone signs up for a new account on your SaaS funnel, they receive this. So you can click on this and edit the image. You can create an image using AI, but it's not recommended. You can upload your own logo for SaaS, and then customize all these stuff. These are plain texts. Don't touch the custom values. Especially this button has a custom value in it. So the idea is they'll click on the button and set up a password to access their account that was newly created for them. Okay, so do not touch the custom values. Apart from that, you can do whatever you want, go crazy. Once you're done, save this. So question is, where is this email located? Because this is the agency level, and as we know, high level agency can't really do any automations. All the magic happens in a sub account. So this email is located in the SaaS sub account. Remember, when you created your agency account, you created you connected your Stripe, and then you connected the same Stripe account to the sub account, right? And that sub account actually has the SaaS funnel. That's the SaaS sub account I'm talking about. Okay, cool. So that email, this is my SaaS sub account. That email should be under marketing, email templates. Okay, so this is the folder and this is where the email is. So the reason why I'm showing you this is, do not delete this. Do not ever delete this email, because otherwise it's going to go back to the default email. Once you customize it and delete this, it's gonna go back to being the default high level welcome email. So do not delete that. Okay, so that's the customization part. Now, one more thing you need to know is you need to have a dedicated email sending domain connected on the agency service level. So the agency level, you need to have a dedicated subdomain. Like, as you can see, I don't have it. That's why the email that I received was from a really random looking, spammy looking domain. So you need to have your own dedicated sending domain connected. That's when it will change to, let's say you own a domain called myawesomeagency.com. So it will say no reply at myawesomeagency.com. That will be more personalized, and that will definitely look less spammy. All right, so once you connect that, you can just go to make sure on the dedicated domain settings. Assuming you have already connected a dedicated domain, the notification sections, it will say all the notification emails will be sent through the GHL shared domain right now. So what you can do is you can create a notification domain, right? So the notification domain can be the dedicated subdomain that you will create, and that will change this for you. So whenever someone signs up, they'll receive the email from your domain. So make sure you do this part as well, the notification domain. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the SaaS welcome email with all the details. So I hope this video was useful, and I will see you on the next one.